Hello students, yesterday we learned the definition of logarithm. So today I am going to explain the laws of logarithms. Already we know the laws of real exponents for real numbers. So by using this we can prove the laws of logarithm. So we know the exponential form of the logarithms, that is, if a power of x is equal to n for any positive integer a and n, so the logarithm form will be, so log n base a equal to x, log n base a is equal to x. So the first law of logarithm, that is, we know that we are going to convert the multiplication into addition form and the division into subtraction form. So let us take two exponential forms, that is a power of x equal to n and a power of y is equal to m. Here we are going to express this exponential form into logarithm form in addition. So first multiply the a power of x and a power of y. So therefore a power of x into a power of y is equal to m into n. M into n. We know that from laws of exponents, if the bases are equal, the powers can be added. So a power of x plus y is equal to m into n. Now apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. So log a power of x plus y is equal to log m into n. Here in logs, if the power is for a power of x, it will become coefficient for log. So x plus y into log a base a is equal to log m n. So here we know that log a base a is equal to 1 and it is equal to log m n. So here we know that already from this, here x is nothing but log n base a. Log n base a plus log m base a, that is equal to log m into n. So the first law of logarithms is, so log m into n base a, it can be written as log m base a plus log n base a. It is the first law of logarithms, means in a log, if any two numbers can be in the form of product, it can be written as the sum of the two logarithms. So let us see one example on the addition of logarithms. Expand log 15. Log 15. So we can write 15 as the product of two prime numbers. So log 15 is equal to log 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So clearly we can observe that it is in the form of log m into n. So we can apply the addition of logarithm, that is log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. So therefore log 3 into 5 can be written as log 3 plus log 5. So it is the expanded form of log 15, that is log 3 plus log 5. So and also note that always for any logarithm, if the base and exponent, if both are equal, that value always 1. That value always means. So for example, log 10 base 10 equal to 1. Another example, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So whatever the value of the base and exponent, if both are same, then the logarithm value always 1. Next, any logarithm value of 1 for any base means whatever it is the base, log 1 always 0. Log 1 always 0. For example, log 1 base 5 is equal to 0. Here we have taken the base is 5. Here I have written for the general form I am going to write a variable that is a. Means whatever it is the base, the log 1 value always 0. Okay. I think you have understood the expanded form of logarithm. So try to solve some problems based on the sum of the logarithms. Okay, thank you.